Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Evelinita. I'm from Bahasa Inggris 6A. In this video, I will present about my research in the title The Influence of Plus Minus Interesting PME Technique Towards Student Writing Ability, the 11th class of SMK Yadika Bandar Lampung in year 2020 until 2021. Okay, now I will explain about background of problem. In the process of writing, the student have to able to organize their ideas, means, and thoughts into paragraphs by using good structure, acceptable grammar, and appropriate vocabulary. It means in the writing process, students need to understand the use of language and develop ideas in written form. Based on the primary research at SMK Yadika Bandar Lampung, the writer found the students face some problem when they are doing the writing activity. The students are so hard to express their ideas and cannot find an easy way to improve their writing ability. The students confused when they were trying to choose which word that should be used in their essay or composition. The students have problem in using acceptable grammar because they have limited knowledge of English grammar. The students also have problem in organized sentence and paragraph. Now, I will explain identification of problem. Based on background of the problem above the written identification, the problem as follows. The student have low proficiency of vocabulary use. The student cannot use acceptable grammar to make paragraph. The student cannot organize words into sentence and the sentence into good paragraph. The student ability in expressing their idea in right form need to improve, and last, the student motivation to write is low. Limitation of the problem. Based on the identification about, the writer focus on the influence of plus minus interesting PME technique towards student writing ability, the 11th class of SMK Yadika Bandar Lampung in year 2020 until 2021. Formulation of problem. Based on identification and limitation problem above, the writer formulated the problem is there an influence of plus minus interesting PME technique towards student writing ability. The objective of the research is to know and describe the influence of plus minus interesting PME technique towards student writing ability. Use of the research, there are two. The first, theoretical. This research will give contribution in English teaching, learning process, especially in teaching writing. The result of this research can be used as reference for those who want to conduct a research in English teaching learning process. And the last, practical, as value information for English teacher about the influence of plus minus interesting PME towards the student writing assessment, to give information to teacher about importance of plus minus interesting PME towards student writing ability, as on information for further research. Definition of variable. Plus minus interesting PME technique is one which is creative and brainstorming and helps in exchanging critical thinking and decision-making skill in students. PME technique that requires to look at three outlooks: the negative or plus, the negative or minus, and the natural or interesting, and also to make the student more activity in classroom with using this outlook. This technique can be used within a range of classroom activity such as analyzing text or examining use. Procedure of using plus-minus interesting PME technique. According Arm and Marson, there are 4 steps of plus-minus interesting as follows. The first, ask students to draw a table with 3 columns and to label the table plus minus and interesting. And the second, have students find key information in the reading passage and write it into one of the 3 columns. Tell them to write ideas that they see as being positive or that they like in plus column, ideas that seem negative or that they don't like in the minus column, and ideas they find particular interesting in the last column marked interesting. The third as follow up to this activity, have students write a 4-paragraph essay with 1 paragraph focusing on each of the categories in the column, introducing beginning with each what student found interesting, plus, minus, and the last conclusion. Hypothesis. Based on the theories on frame of thinking about the writer makes hypothesis, there is a significant influence of plus-minus interesting PME technique towards student writing ability. Variable of the research. There are 2 variables of this research as follows. The first, the independent variable of research is using PME plus-minus interesting X. The independent variable is the student writing ability Y. Sample of the research. In the research, the writer will take 2 classes as the sample of the research, 1 class as the experimental class, and 1 class the control class. The writer will teach writing through PME technique in experimental class and will apply conventional technique in control class. Data analyzing technique. To analyze data, the research tries to find data normality test and homogeneity test of variance. If the data have normal distribution and homogeneous, the research will use the test formula to know the hypothesis test. The test of normality. The first formula, the sample take from population of normal distribution. The second, the sample take from the population of abnormal distribution. In this research, to know the normality of data, the writer will use formula as follows. And homogeneous test of variance, it used to know whether the data are homogeneous or not. The formula homogeneous as follows. Okay everyone, I think my present about my research is enough. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you for watching.